Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a recap about Alibaba stock as it's requested by one of you guys. So I will talk about the recent situation and some bulls and bears opinions. So now let's get started. So the stock has been decreased from the highest $315 to the lowest the current one is $164 and it has decreased more than 46% so far. Three bulls opinions about the stock. The first one is that the current valuation seems already absorb the negative impact on the company as the current PE ratio is 19 and the further expected PE ratio is 17. And comparing with the growth rate right now and in the future, it's about 27% and 19%. It seems that the valuation is relatively low comparing with the company's growth rate. So in the current stock market, if you want to find something PE ratio is 19 and the MOT rating is wide, it's probably rare. So from this perspective, probably that's why some investors are bullish on this stock. The second bullish opinion is that recently Jack Ma finally is back and he was appeared in some activities in Europe, so that brings some positive signal to the investors. And also in the recent quarter, China's GDP growth has missing the expectation, which is only 4.9%. And that is to say, in order to boost the country's GDP, they would definitely not hurt the economy and kill some company as big as Alibaba. So that's also show a potential bullish sign in the future. The third bullish opinion is that some big money like Chinese mongers company as well as some hedge fund like Hill House Capital has been invested in the latest quarter according to the 13F just released. So that also gives a bullish hint to some investors. However, there's also some bearish opinion about the company. The first one is, of course, the antitrust regulation by the Chinese government, as some investors see that would be a bullish for some smaller or mid-sized company and definitely negative impact on the company like Alibaba, which is a conglomerate and has been the monopoly position in the e-commerce space in China. But for me, I think the antitrust law maybe in the short term can be a negative impact, but in the long term it can be positive for the whole ecosystem as it will create the creativity and the competition. So I think overall it's good for the industry. The second bearish sign is that as Alibaba's main business is just in Chinese market, and when they have almost reached the ceiling of the market, if they want to continue the growth, they will probably want to expand to the global market. But the problem is that due to the current political risk and also the regulatory risk, it may be hard for the company to expand further globally. The third bearish opinion is some people think that what Alibaba has done is nothing special. It doesn't mean that they have excellent management or business model. It's just because they have done the right business in the right period of time, and because they have started it early enough in China, there's no other competitors at the time, and they become the first mover in this industry. I think it's very true that for a lot of business, they have done the right thing in the right time, and their success may not be replicatable in the future. And if they do it again today, their success may be not replicable. So some people has doubt the creativity of the company as well as the current management in the company. I bet you guys heard the negative news about it recently. So yeah, some investors are doubt about the corporate culture and also the future innovation. So to sum up, the current BABA stock is on the lower end, and I'm still holding my stock. And I believe that after 1 year, the stock will bounce back probably to the price level before pandemic. I would have confidence in that, but at the same time, I also rethink about the whole business situation. Some business has succeeded may not necessarily mean the methodology is right. And some business may not be successful right now. That also doesn't mean the methodology is wrong. I think we cannot just take the results and to judge whether their model is right or wrong. And there's a lot of external factors to take into consideration. Yeah, I hope you guys find any information would be interesting or helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.